So I behalf on Sir, our MD, Langming Kiriterang of Carey's Vision English High School, congratulate all the students for their performance, and our center, Rangboham Higher Secondary School, and in the center we did very well among the schools. Our school did the best in the center. Thank you all my colleagues and all the students for their performance, and my colleagues for their help, without them we will not be able to do such a result. Thank you. তো আজি মেট্ৰিকৰ ৰিজাল্ট দিছে, আমি বহুত excited. That means we are very excited because আমি ভাবিছিলোঁ এটা আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট বেচ হয়, ফাৰ্ষ্ট বেচ মেট্ৰিক দিছে এতে আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে, আৰু আমি ভাবা নাছিলোঁ যে আমাৰ 100% হ'ব বুলি, কিন্তু আমাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাকে ৰিজাল্টটো ভাল কৰিছে. They did very well. We all the teachers congratulate them. আৰু আমি ভাবিছোঁ যে আমাৰ নেক্সট কামিং ইয়াৰ্ছ যোনটো মেট্ৰিক দিব, এইটো ইয়াৰ পৰা আৰু বেছি ভাল কৰিব. আৰু ইয়াত যোনখিনি ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাক এপিয়াৰ কৰিছে মেট্ৰিক, সিহঁতৰ নামখিনি মই পঢ়ি দিছোঁ. হিমাক্ষী বৰা, marks scored 430 out of 600, percentage 71.6%, first division. Later in Hindi, General English and General Science. Angjin Hanse, 419 marks he scored, 69.8%, first division. Later in Carey ML and English. Carey Teron, mark scored 402, 67%, first division. और later पाइसे Hindi and English. Wilongbi Phangcho, mark scored 393, 65.5%, first division. Later in Carey ML. Prince Rongpi, 392 marks scored, 65.3%, first division. Later in General English and Hindi IL. Arnika Tisopi, 372 marks scored, and she got 62%, first division. Later in Hindi and English. Chishi Teron P, she scored 369 out of 600, and her percentage is 61.5%, first division. Later in General English. Jongsro Doimari, 354 mark he scored, his percentage is 59%, and second division, and later in English. Lisa Boro, 343 marks he scored, 57.1%, second div. Letters in English and Hindi IL. Von Clarmirso Bepi, 327 marks scored, her percentage is 54.5, second division. Later in General English. Borlietso England P, 326 marks scored, 54.3%, second div. Rudra Vibhav, 325 marks he scored, his percentage is 54.1%, second div. Later in Hindi. Saricho Rongpi, 319 marks he scored, his percentage is 53%, second division. Inghon Acho Rongpi, he scored 297, that means 297 mark. His percentage is 49.5% and he got second division. So this is our result. We have total 14 students, and out of 14, 7 students got first division and 7 students got second division. That's all. And then we hope that in the coming year we'll be do more better than this. I congratulate from the staff side that